Hello. I did a fire making challenge for my daughter's 13th birthday party. I did a Amazing Race style party where I had 13 legs, so 13 challenges. This was the first challenge because we watched Survivor together in Amazing Race, so I wanted to make a fire making challenge. So what I did is I got three pieces of wood, the base, two sides, and a piece of wood. So four, I guess, total for the lever to come up with a flag on it. What we've got here is a piece of string going from one side, going to the other piece of wood, which I've got just a screw there to keep it in place. And then that goes up to the flag, the piece of wood that's a flag. This is just a bolt that I've got in there to keep it in place. And then I've got a weight, which I just used a hitch that will pull this down. So when the string breaks through the fire, this will come down. I had a couple more since I had a challenge where two other teams were building it at the same time. And I used a hitch on this one, and this I just use a stapler. So essentially when the string breaks, this will come up. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate on this one right here, just by cutting the string, and we can see what happens with the flag. And the flag comes up because the weight goes down. So same kind of setup on all three of them. And I'll go ahead and start the fire to cut the string. All right, let's go ahead and start the fire. All right, now once the fire is built, it should go through that string. And raising your flag. And that's the fire making challenge with my fire extinguisher just in case. If there's any questions or how to build this, let me know in the comments below. There's basically four pieces of wood, your bottom one that I screwed these two pieces of wood into with my lever arm, my screw in there, and my bolt in there. I did put little holes, drilled some holes to tie the string into on the little lever arm, both for the weight and to attach the string that's attached to the two boards. All right, thanks for watching.